Hi guys! I'm Alana. And I'm Briana. And we are the Twin Dolls. So today we will be making Christmas fruitcake! Yay! We actually are making a Caribbean fruitcake that we make every year for Christmas. So for the recipe, we will need 1 cake mixer, 2 9-inch cake pan, 1 large bowl, and 1 large spoon. So for the ingredients, you will need the following.
16 ounces of butter, 16 ounces of brown sugar, 16 ounces of flour mixed with 3 teaspoons of baking powder. This is actually 8 eggs beaten with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
For the main ingredient, we have 10 ounces each of chopped fruits. Here we have 10 ounces of cherries, 10 ounces of prunes, and 10 ounces of raisins. So you guys can use a blender to blend up the fruits if you want, but our mom prefers to chop it up by hand so you guys could get nice chunks of fruit in the cake. So let's get on to the video, yo, and make the Christmas fruitcake. So guys, we're gonna add the brown sugar to the butter and mix it all up. Here we go. So now that the brown sugar and the butter is mixed in, we're gonna add the egg mixed with cinnamon and vanilla in. So now we're gonna add the eggs, add a little bit at a time, and we're gonna keep mixing. Come on, we're gonna put the egg in. Oh my god. Oh. So guys, it's time to add the flour. We're gonna add it at a little bit at a time and mix it really well. Okay, ready, Brianna? Yeah. Okay. Next, tell me when you're ready for more. it already, guys. Yeah, I wish I could eat it. Whoa. Okay, guys, time for the best part, the fruit. So let's add a little bit at a time, and then we're gonna mix it all up. Yeah. Okay, I don't think that's a little bit. I don't know. A little bit at a time. Okay. Okay, you can add a little more than that. Okay, like this. Oh, yeah, that's good. Keep adding on to this. It smells delicioso. Okay. You ready for this? Yeah. Okay. Add it. Okay, this one is going to be kind of big. I'm trying to make it. So guys, let us know in the comments down below if you guys are going to try our Christmas fruitcake recipe. Alana, my arms are getting tired. How about you take a turn? Okay. I've been waiting this moment to do this. This just feels like a giant slime. I know, isn't it hard to... It actually looks like a giant, crunchy slime. It looks like cookie dough slime. See? Actually looks like cookie dough because if you look from far away distance, you can see the fruits look like little chocolate chips, and it looks like cookie dough. It smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell this, and I can't wait to eat it. This is what it looks like so far. This is gonna be heavenly. Amazing. So guys, our cake's ready to go into the oven. Make sure to grease your cake pans with butter before adding in your cake mixture.
Preheat your oven to 325 degrees and bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes until golden brown.
Hey guys, so our fruitcake is finally out of the oven and it smells so good. It's time to dig in. Okay guys, this is what the inside of the fruitcake looks like. You can see all of the fruit pieces. And I can't wait to dig in. Briana, tell me. Just tell me. I'm gonna have it. OMG, I can't wait to try this. Alana, you are going to be in fruitcake heaven. It's so good. Okay, my first try. You can taste all the flavors, especially the fruit. Heaven. Oh, flowing. It's so good. My taste buds are like falling in love with this. Guys, I wish you could be here with us eating the piece of this delicious Christmas fruitcake. So guys, comment down below if you are going to try this recipe and tell us how it turns out. So guys, we had so much fun making this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Happy holidays. Bye.